Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have a square root of 12 divided by square root of 15 plus square root of 3 and its whole power is 12, we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So we will show all of the working here. So the very first step we are going to do is first we will simplify its base. So here our base is this one, so we need to simplify this term, and now we rewrite it as this is 12. We write it as 4 multiplied by 3 and its square root divided by this is 15. We write it as 3 times of 5 is 15 and plus this is square root of 3 and its whole exponent is 12. And now in the next step we will just break this square root sign and we write this square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 5 and plus square root of 3 and its whole exponent is 12. And now in the next step here we need to take common square root of 3 from the denominator, and here you know that the square root of 4 equals to 2. It will be written as 2 times of square root of 3, and here we take common square root of 3 and the remaining terms are square root of 5 plus 1 and its whole exponent is 12. So you see here this square root of 3 is cancelled out by this square root of 3 and we get here 2 divided by square root of 5 plus 1 and its whole exponent is 12. So now here we need to rationalize the denominator of this term. So its denominator is square root of 5 plus 1. We will rationalize this term and it will be written as square root of 5 plus 1 multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1 divided by square root of 5 minus 1 and its whole exponent is 12. And now in the next step in the denominator we will apply here this nice formula. If you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this, here you have in this form of the formula, we need to combine these factors and we write this in this form. So here our a is square root of 5 and b is 1. So when you combine these two factors, we write in this form and it will be written as 2 times of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by, here you have this is square root of 5 whole square and minus 1 square and its exponent is 12. So further we need more simplifications and we write it as this is 2 times of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by, here you see that this 2 and square root are gone and we get 5 minus 1 square equals to 1 and its whole exponent is 12. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So we write it as 2 times of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 4 and its exponent is 12. So here you see that this is 2 times of 2 is 4 and we obtain square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 and its exponent is 12. So here further we need to simplify this term. So here we will take the base of this term is equals to x. So here our x equals to square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So here when you take our base equals to x, it means that here we need to find the value of x to the power of 12. Okay, so here when you find the value of x to the power of 12, it means that we will find the value of this term. So that here we need to simplify the terms. We move this 2 in the left hand side. It will be written as 2x equals to square root of 5 minus 1. When you move minus 1 in the left hand side, it will be written as 2x plus 1 equals to square root of 5. And recall this is our equation number 1. So here further we need to expand here this equation, and now we will need to take the scaling on both of the sides of this equation. So when you will take scaling on both of the sides, it will be written as 2x plus 1 whole square equals to square root of 5 and its whole square. And now in the next step, we need to expand the square in the left hand side. It will be written as 2x square plus 1 square plus 2 times of 2x into 1 equals to these 2 and square root are gone and you get 5. And now in the next step we have this is 2x square equals to 4 times of x square and 1 square equals to 1, and this is 2 times of 2 becomes 4x equals to 5. And here we need to separate this 4x square and we move all of the other terms to the right hand side, and it will be written as 4x square equals to this is 5, and when you move these two terms in the right hand side it will becomes minus 1 minus 4x. So we get 5 minus 1 equals to 4 minus 4x, and in the left hand side we have 4x square. So you see that each of these term is divisible by 4, so we divide each term by 4 on both of the sides, and this 4 is cancelled out by this 4, this 4 is cancelled out by this 4, this is cancelled out by this one, and you get here x square equals to 1 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 2. So here further we need to simplify this value because we find the value of x to the power of 12. Now we need to take the scaling on both of the sides, so it will be written as x square and its whole square into 1 minus x whole square. So this term equals to x to the power of 4, and this will be written as 1 square plus x square minus 2 times of 1 into x. And here you see that 1 square is 1 and x square is x square. This will becomes minus 2x. Here we use equation number 2 and we have the value of x square is 1 minus x. We substitute this value here and it will be written as 1 plus 1 minus x square minus 2x. So we obtain here this is x only. Okay, so we have this is 1 plus 1 is 2 minus x minus 2x becomes minus 3x, and here we have x to the power of 4. And now because we find the value of x to the power of 12, here you have x to the power of 4, we need to take the cube on both of the sides in order to find the value of x to the power of 12. So it will be written as in this form 2 minus 3x and its whole cubed. Here we can apply the cubic formula. You know that if we have a minus b whole cubed, it is equals to a cubed minus b cubed minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. Here our a is 2 and b is 3x. So we will substitute the values of a and b here, and we can apply the formula in the right hand side, and in the left hand side these are the exponent of the exponent. These are multiplied by each other and we get 4 times of 3 is 12 equals to, here we need to apply this nice formula. So it will be written as 2 cubed minus 3x cubed minus 3 times of 2 into 3x into 2 minus 3x. Okay, we will apply the cubic formula in the right hand side. So 2 cubed equals to 8 and 3 cubed equals to 27 into x cubed minus this is 2 times of 3 6 6 3s are 18x into 2 minus 3x. Here we need more simplifications, and now we write it as 8 minus 27. We break this x cube and we write it as x times of x square minus here we multiply 18x on both of these terms. It will be written as 18 times of 2 becomes 36x, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus, and 18 times of 3 equals to 54. X times of x equals to x square. Okay, and now here we need to put the value of x square here. So we have the value of x square is 8 minus 27x. X square equals to 1 minus x. This is minus 36x plus 54x square. It is equals to 1 minus x. And now in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have this is 8 minus 27x. We'll multiply 27 on both of these terms. It will be written as minus 27x plus 27x square. This is minus 36x. We multiply this one and it will be written as 54 minus 54x. Okay, so here further we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have this is 8 plus 54 equals to 62, and this minus 27x and minus 36x and minus 54x equals to so when you add these three terms, it is equals to minus 117x. So we have the remaining term is this is 27x square. We again substitute this x square equals to 1 minus x, and it will be written as 62 minus 771x and plus 27 minus 27x. So it will be written as 62 minus so we have 117 and minus 27 equals to 144x plus 27. So here we back substitute the value of x, and now we add 62 plus 27. It is equals to 89 minus 144 into x. So the value of x which we can substitute is square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is equals to x to the power of 12. So we have x to the power of 12 equals to 89 minus, this is cancelled out by each other, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. We get 89 minus 72 times of square root of 5 minus 1. Here we need to multiply the 72 on both of these terms. It will be written as 89 minus 72 times of square root of 5 plus 72. So we have 89 and plus 72 is equals to 161 minus 72 times of square root of 5. This is the value of x to the power of 12. Okay, and this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.